Well, it's a nice January 2021. Gonna get going to work. Time for another challenge. Hey, what's going on today? Shannon here. We've got a job for you today. So this is a rental property and we are covering up the main room above the owner's apartment. It makes a lot of noise when you walk on. So we're going to put carpet in that room, and then we are doing 15.5 stairs. I'm pulling a runner off and installing new industrial grade carpet. Look who, and here comes, look who it is. Okay, so here's the rim we're covering up with the hardwood. We're gonna cut around the vent there, pop some smooth edge down, cover this up. This will quiet it up here. And then here are the 15.5 stairs. They're 3 feet wide. So we're gonna use about 7 feet of carpet by 12 on that. So here's a perfect example of covering up hardwood floor to quiet a room and warm up a room. Told you, people are doing it. We gotta put a metal there at the door, separate the hall. Now when we put our smooth edge down, there's usually no gap along the wall because of the hardwood. So about a 1/4 inch. And we'll do that all the way around. Rob is over here getting the smooth edge on the stairs. So Rob put smooth edge on the stairs about 1 inch away, all the way down. Now these stairs are a little crooked and we will have to figure that out as we go. He's going to pad them next. There are 15.5 stairs there. This is the entrance walkway in for the tenants. So Rob's just cutting the pad up here. All the smooth edge is done around the perimeter, 1/4 inch away, like we discussed. Now when we put in a door metal, proper place for the door metal is to go in the middle between where the door closes. So that's where we're at, just a little tip. Okay, carpet is rolled out, cut down. Ready for stretching. This has got a release cut on it. This is cut down. This is cut down. Rob is progressing on the steps. Okay, so just cut all the stairs down here. Rob is starting the first 5. We're doing 5, 5, and 5, and finishing up the top. The first ones were 3 foot and a quarter wide. Then the next section goes from 3 1/4 to 35 3/4 of an inch. So quite a difference there. At the angle, cut those. And then the tops were 35 3/4 and they stayed there. Okay, job's all done. Look at that. No gap under the baseboard, but nice and tight. Carpet over hardwood. Carpet tucked all around the old radiator. Metal at the door. All cleaned up. Stairs are done at the entryway. Looks amazing.